Getting monetized on YouTube is very easy to the extent that you can even do it within 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually get monetized on YouTube within 30 days. I have done this over and over again. So I have multiple channels that are monetized on YouTube here that you might not be aware of yet, except the two that I personally show my face, known as Perez Trade and Perez Tech. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 secret tips that you need to implement if you really want to get monetized on YouTube faster. In fact, as fast as within the first 30 days of you being on YouTube. So let's get straight into today's business. Now, to get monetized on YouTube faster, the first thing is simply understand the YouTube monetization requirement. Now, some of you might already be aware of this particular requirement, but some of you might not be aware of it yet. So this is targeting those particular people that are not aware of the YouTube monetization requirement yet. Because how can you plan on getting monetized if you don't know their requirement? Now, when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube, YouTube mainly have 3 key requirements that are very important. Like, without any of these requirements, you are not going to get monetized on it. And the first requirement is that you need a minimum of 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Now, YouTube actually needs you to get up to 1,000 subscribers for you to be able to get monetized on their platform. And the 1,000 subscribers is nothing that is difficult to get. It's one of the most easiest things that you can even do in less than 30 days, provided that you watch this video till the very end. So the first requirement on YouTube in order to qualify for monetization is simply 1,000 subscribers. Now, the second thing you need to qualify to get monetized on YouTube is simply, under the YouTube monetization requirement, is simply getting 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period of time. Yes, for the subscribers, it doesn't matter, but the watch hours, you need to get them within a 12-month period of time. But you don't have to worry yourself, as the remaining 4 tips in this video can help you get them within 30 days, provided that you implement every single thing carefully. So that is basically the point number 2. You need to get these watch hours, which is 4,000 solid watch hours, not minutes, but hours actually. Now, the third thing you need to actually qualify for YouTube monetization requirement is simply making sure that you don't violate any of their policies. Now, YouTube has very tight policies when it comes to monetizing. There are some sort of content that they don't accept, and for you to be able to know all of this content better, is the best thing I'll do for you. Simply, I'll drop a link in this video description that will link you to YouTube monetization requirement page that tells you their policies that you need to stick to in order to stay monetized or to even qualify for the monetization in the first place. So I advise you check it out as well. Now, those are basically the subsection of the first point, which is understand YouTube monetization requirements. Now, in order for you to get monetized on YouTube within your first 30 days, the second thing you need is simply make sure to plan your content consistently. Yes, it's very important. Within your first 30 days of you being on YouTube, and if you really want to get monetized on this platform, the first thing you need is that make sure you plan your content consistently. Now, for you to be able to monetize within 30 days, it basically means that you need to put in more work and make sure that whenever you are putting this work, you are not just putting it up randomly. You are putting up this work within the required time frame to make sure that you meet up with this requirement. So now that if you want to get monetized on YouTube within 30 days, you can't come and post video today and then wait till next week, then you post again, maybe within 4 videos. 4 videos cannot get you monetized within 30 days. For you to get monetized within 30 days, you need to be able to put in high valued videos consistently for at least maybe 3 to 4 per week within a 30 days, which is 4-week period of time, for you to be able to actually qualify to be monetized on YouTube. So you need to plan out your content and then keep them consistently. Like, whilst I'm recording this video with you right now, let me show you a typical way in which I actually use to keep my content well easy, like everything straightforward. So now here you can see this folder titled YouTube ideas. You can see for this whole week, I've already prepared the sort of videos that I'm coming to upload on the channel. So ahead of the week, I usually gather my videos, and this is one thing I also advise you to do. If you really want to get monetized within 30 days, you need to gather all your video ideas, set them up so that when you get into the week, you know that these are all the content you are going to put out. If you are able to gather them this way, then you'll be able to stick to your consistent schedule. But if you are unable to gather your content in this manner, then your chances of actually staying up to get monetized within 30 days are really narrow. So in my case, you can see for all my 2 channels, you can see that each of them are tagged here. Perez Trade, Perez Tech, you can see. And so far, I've uploaded 1, 2, and you can see the ones that I uploaded are basically tagged as done. And today is currently Thursday that I'm recording this video. So basically, if you really want to get monetized on YouTube within 30 days period of time, you need to put in the work. And then one of the easiest ways to plan out your content ahead of each week, so that once you get into the week, you don't go ahead and then be doing content research to take your time, but you basically just sit, record your videos, and move on. That's all. So that's basically about the point number 2 here when it comes to getting monetized within 30 days. Is simply plan your content consistently. The third one here, which is very important, is simply create your content for attention grabbing. Now what basically this means is that create content that will grab people's attention. So if you want to get monetized within 30 days, you basically know the tax you are putting on yourself. One, you need to make sure that what your video reach out to more people in order for you to get that 1,000 subscribers. Two, you need to make sure that what your videos are engaging enough to keep people watching. Three, you need to make sure that what your thumbnails are catchy enough to let people to click on it. These are the three most important things you need if you really want to get monetized on YouTube. One, be able to create high quality videos with clear cameras. Make sure your videos are clear. If you are showing your face, make sure that what your camera is clear, everything is well lit up for you to actually grab users' attention and keep them watching. And secondly, you need to make sure that what your thumbnails are also great, because once you upload your YouTube video, what determines if a user clicks on it is simply your thumbnail. Like the attachment they are seeing on the video, let it be able to grab their attention to drag them to click it. This is really important, and this is the easiest way in which you can actually use to get those 1,000 subscribers faster. Simply because on average, if each of your videos you upload within the month is able to, maybe you uploaded about 10 videos within the month, and I know basically you can upload more than 10 within the month. So now let's average it within 10, and all these 10 videos are able to generate you a good amount of subscribers within that period of time. And trust me, with something like this, you'll be able to get monetized faster, because for you to get monetized faster, according to this 30 days program, you basically need to put in more video out there, and not just random videos, but videos that people are highly demanding for, that will grab their attention, from your title, your thumbnail, to your video quality. All three of them are very important if you really want to get monetized on YouTube within 30 days period of time. So now let's move over to the point number 4 and 5 when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube within your first 30 days. Now, the point number 4 here when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube within the first 30 days is simply maximize your watch hours with the help of playlist. Now, as I already told you, when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube, the most difficult thing is getting your first 4,000 watch hours. Now, this is really important. And why is it important? Because without these watch hours, YouTube is never going to qualify you. Like, you can get up to 10,000 subscribers, but without getting that 4,000 watch hours, YouTube is not going to monetize your channel. And like, it's the most difficult thing to get, because for you to be able to achieve this, you need to create content that people are going to watch for a long period of time. Imagine uploading videos of 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, and then expecting to get 4,000 watch hours within 30 days. You know the kind of work you need to put in there. It's simply getting a lot of attachment, engagement on it. Now, this is where playlists can actually help you. When it comes to YouTube, for you to actually get this 4,000 watch hours faster, you need to create a playlist and make sure each video that belongs to that playlist is placed in that playlist. Now, the benefit of it is that once your video is attached to a playlist and YouTubers, let me say, people watch any of your videos, YouTube will automatically recommend another video from that particular playlist to the person again. So now once the person finishes watching the first one, YouTube recommend another one from the playlist, and then the person also watches that one, YouTube is still going to recommend another one from the playlist again. Now, this is the importance of creating YouTube playlists. Like, it's very easy to create a playlist, but then the end result of a playlist are very valuable when it comes to content creation. Like, at first when I started YouTube, I personally wasn't using playlists until I was able to learn this trick and started using playlists. And since then, my video engagements are picking up. Even though the YouTube system fluctuates, the best thing is that you get to see results over the time for the things you do today. Now, that is the fourth most important thing here when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube within 30 days period, is simply use playlists, so that those playlists can help keep users watching each of your videos from one to the other, until you hit that 4,000 watch hour required within the first 30 days of being on YouTube. The final tip here was well reserved for those who usually watch YouTube videos to the very end. And this is simply use YouTube Shorts to gain subscribers. So since I've been talking about getting monetized on YouTube for the first 30 days, I never mentioned the most important thing, which is actually getting the subscribers as well, because you need these people to be able to watch your videos. I've said every single thing on how you can get the watch hours. Now, this is the simple hack for you to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Is simply taking advantage of YouTube Shorts. Yes, you heard me right. YouTube Shorts can easily make you get subscribers within a very short period of time. Like, I know people started YouTube Shorts, and then within 1 week to 2 weeks, they were able to get over 1,000 subscribers. Now, the benefit of YouTube Shorts is that they get to reach more people faster than your long videos. Now, here's one thing I have for you, for anyone going to post YouTube Shorts. I know you might be wondering, if YouTube Shorts actually works, why don't you upload Shorts on your channel anymore? Well, the reason is that once you get monetized on YouTube, stop posting YouTube Shorts. If not, your YouTube revenue will be one of the worst figures you'll be seeing day in, day out. Now, this is something I personally practice across 2 of my channels. This one here on Perez Tech, and then my other channel known as Perez Trade. that might be flashing on your screen right now. So basically, I've been uploading long videos on all of these channels from day one. Then when YouTube Shorts came in, I started uploading short, but everything seems to be okay. But after some period of time of posting YouTube Shorts, I realized that what my YouTube revenue started dropping, my ad revenue started dropping drastically, and then the engagement on my long form videos also reduced. But I couldn't tell exactly why, so I was like, okay, let me stop posting short for a while and then focus on the long videos. So I stopped posting short and I started focusing on the long videos. And for a period of time, I realized that my YouTube revenue, everything picked up again. Then I let it pick up for some period of time again. And then I decided to start posting short again. And I realized that it was dropping again. Then I realized that what the best thing you can do for yourself as a monetized YouTube channel is simply stop posting short. Short will help you get subscribers faster. But then one thing I noticed is that they affect your long form videos performance, which also reduce your revenue as well. Now, those basically every single thing you need to understand when it comes to getting monetized on YouTube within 30 days. First one is simply understand the YouTube algorithm, understand the YouTube monetization requirement. Secondly, is simply make sure you have a consistent content schedule that you keep up with. Thirdly, create attention grabbing content. Make sure your videos are of high quality, your thumbnails are lit, and your titles are also attention grabbing. Fourthly, take advantage of playlists to actually build your watch hour faster and then better. And then finally, use YouTube Short to actually boost up your YouTube subscribers. Now, this is all I have for you in this video. So if this is your first time on this channel, please help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel as well. Now, if you are a newbie who is starting YouTube as well and you really want to grow your channel, then I advise you guys to engage yourself down in the comment section. You can help support each other's channel by just dropping a comment and then liking each other's videos to actually help go a long way. Now, before you guys go like each other's video, don't forget to like my own video as well. So see you in my next video. Bye.